Alright everybody, welcome to another J&K Getaway video. Today we are going to
downtown St. Cloud.
Downtown St. Cloud. We are going to go downtown for
It's a domestic violence walk a mile in her shoes.
Walk a mile in her shoes. We're going to go downtown. We're also going to show you the monthly market.
Yep, it is going to be taking place during the monthly market. It's going to be taking place during the monthly market, and we will actually be walking through the monthly market.
Yes, we will. There's many things to do at the monthly market. You can have some food down at 10th Street Produce and Deli. You can go to that one cigar shop if you're a cigar smoker.
Mm-hmm.
There's also a bar. I forget the name of it. That's right next to the cigar shop.
There's a lot of tents. Oh, that's Breeze.
Breeze.
There's a lot of tents for local sellers, builders, crafters,
everything like that.
It's that. And it takes up the entire strip of New York.
I believe, now don't quote me on this, I believe that the monthly market takes place in St. Cloud the last Wednesday of the month. Yes. So today is Wednesday, the last Wednesday of April. So it's happening today, and I'm assuming it's going to be for May, June, July, August, and so forth.
Yep. Every last Wednesday of the month it takes place.
There you go. So, all right. So we're going to go do the walk, and we're going to show you some of St. Cloud, downtown St. Cloud, the domestic violence awareness walk, and a little bit of a monthly market. So thank you so much for being part of our
Getaway.
Let's try it out. Let's try it out. If the shoe fits, let's see. Let's see. Let's see if she fits.
Shoe fits, wear it, baby.
This is how we do.
Oh my God.
Yeah, buddy. Oh my gosh. Nope, it does not fit.
Okay.
She does not fit. I know it. I know it.
So close. How are you?
Hi.
It's like, you don't want to jam them things.
Wayne, what's up with you?
I tried it. Didn't work. It's okay. Well, folks, we found a winner with the heels. We got a winner. We got a winner.
Good evening, everyone.
Up to 13th Street, make a right.
Good evening. My name is Evelyn Herrera Jackson. I'm here on behalf of Tammy Douglas, our executive director, that was unable to be here today, so that we can bring to you the 4th annual Walk in Your Shoes. I want to be respectful of time. I know that we received a couple of calls. Some of our gentlemen are coming late with their heels, but that's okay. We're going to welcome them when they come here. But I definitely want to begin the whole event. So thank you those that are here. Just briefly, I want to share with you, this is an international campaign. It started in 2001, and this campaign was meant for our well-meaning men so that they can actually, by awareness, wear red shoes by example of making a stance against rape, against sexual assault, against gender violence. So I appreciate those that are here today so that we can begin and see so we can send the word of the message that the serious causes or the effects or the whole sexualizing, objectifying women is not acceptable in our community. So I do want to recognize some of the dignitaries that are present today. So I want to share that we have our State Attorney, Monique Worrell. Welcome. We have also from the State Attorney's Office, Crystal Allen. We have the St. Cloud Chief of Police, Mr. Berkey.
I got red shoes on, but I'm here. I'll work out. I'll do
I definitely want to go on record that he says not to worry, next year he is committed. Wonderful. We do have our board members. Please raise your hands. We have Dave Askew. I'm sorry, Dave Askew is also a dignitary, you know, but he also sits on our board. We have Carmen Vargas, sits on our board. Any other board members? We also have our staff. So if your staff are help now, you're wearing a purple shirt, please raise your hand. So why walk a mile in your shoes? You know, it's symbolic. It is represented, and I know that you gentlemen can give me some nice words as to how easy it is to walk in heels, correct? Are you feeling cool? You feeling comfortable?
As long as I'm standing still. Tread this day since the last time.
You know, there's an adage that says, you really don't understand someone until you walked a little bit in their shoes. And this is symbolic, so I do appreciate. I thank you because I know that this is an interesting event and task for you guys. But I definitely want you to know that it's all about raising awareness, and this is our way to do that. What a wonderful opportunity. You have a lot of people here and I thank you all for coming. So, with that said, in order to make change happen, to be good social agents, we do have to raise the bar. So thank you very much for raising your heels.
Yeah.
Okay?
And then if people on the corners can kind of scrunch in.
One big group picture.
No, there's some. Right, they're walking. Woo! Behind the sign.
Watch this soft stuff, guys. Hold the sign and walk. That's it. They want us to chew bubble gum. That's your first time, huh?
Yeah, you're way here.
All right, if I go tumbling, head over butt. Yeah. We're tight.
So when you got up this morning, did you say to yourself, I can't wait till they're winning? Well, then that's like, 10 minutes ago. Yeah, someone found it. They're overachieving, girl. This jogging. Get out with that. Watch the sign.
Got a sign.
Back into the side. Maybe if we angle it. He's practicing.
Oh, he's hurt. Yeah.
Feeling better than my ankle. I'm gonna go.
Here we go again.
He's got to have blisters the size of Boston.
No, we're getting a ride back. Sarge called the SWAT vehicle. We're good.
Kind of is somewhere in the back there.
Yeah, there you go.
You had no idea.
Still hate it.
That used to be a beer.
A beer.
More like a six-pack.
Case. You know what? This is good. Let's just go up to 13th, make a right, and go right down to
17th. Go to 17th.
Yeah. We should go to police headquarters.
Talk to him tomorrow when he's crying.
Yeah, I'm already crying. I'm just smiling on the outside.
Careful, guys.
Ooh. Good.
Hey, Lynn, can you call a van for the ride back? Picture with the market behind us.
And then as we turn around, go back to City Hall, we're going. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the monthly market that we were talking about earlier in our intro. We got little tents. You got the baked butcher. That's cool. Dandies and candies. Hello. Nutrition zone. A little bit right here. Nutrition zone. Congrats, Sam. Grad Sam, there you go. You did it. Congratulations to you. Bohemian Goodians plants this way. And some candles. Susan's all natural soap. You gotta have the wall coming back. Say when at Hombre. Small batch craft hot sauce right here. Jenny's Baked Goods. Bubbly Barn handcrafted soap. And let me catch them as they make their final way back to City Hall.
Adam! Hey, Kate. Yes, sir. I respect you to jump high.
You can do it, yeah! We're almost there, folks. Almost to the City Hall.
I can see the finish line.
Almost there, almost there. We got the curb to go. Let's watch as they cross the finish line. Yeah!
Oh my gosh, I was watching.
Yes, we did it.
Okay, so I want to take you guys through the plans of St. Cloud and the improvements for the streets and whatnot. So some of the improvements that's going on. One of 3 roundabouts coming up here. Okay, historical grid begins. Reconstructed driveway. And we're on to the historical grid. New textured intersection. Shared used path walks, existing sidewalk, new textured intersection. More, this is around the 10th Street area. I'm going to show you 1 of 3 or 3 of 3 roundabouts that are being put in. Roundabout on 10th on Orange Avenue, all the way down by what? That's crazy. Mountable Center roundabout, cool, on Old Hickory Tree Road, going down towards Wawa, and where is right here on Pine Lane. Okay, so 3 of 3 roundabouts being put into St. Cloud. You're gonna have Breeze Bar and Restaurant right here. There's the old-fashioned cigar handmade. There's your schedule right there. Open from 12 to 10 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Sunday they are closed. Of course, you have 10th Street Produce and Deli right here on the corner of 10th and Pennsylvania. Some live entertainment here. Alright everybody, so we took you guys through the walk. You got to see a little bit of the monthly market that happens every month. Yeah, I couldn't think of the word. Every month.
Last Wednesday.
Last Wednesday.
Yeah.
You guys got to raise awareness for domestic violence with us as well. Because you guys, the viewers, are with us. So thank you for raising awareness for domestic violence. Stand up. So thank you so much for being part of our
Getaway.